Deep work fails when your focus block looks like a disappearance. If you need real thinking time, but you do not want people to see you as unavailable, unhelpful, or disconnected, this video gives you the cleaner way to do it. First, we will turn deep work into a visible work block, not a secret escape from messages. Second, we will give people a simple rule for what to do while you are unavailable, so normal messages stop pretending to be emergencies. Third, we will close the loop after the block, because the return is what makes focus feel reliable instead of rude. Picture a late working professional who blocks 2 hours to finish an important proposal, closes chat without saying anything, and misses one customer question. The proposal moves forward, but now someone else is stuck waiting, and the focus block quietly creates a trust problem. The better move is to make deep work visible before it starts. Put it on your calendar, name the outcome, and make the end time clear. Not just focus time, but draft proposal, review architecture, or finish analysis. People respect focus more when they understand what it protects. The message is not, "I am unavailable." The message is, "This work needs uninterrupted thinking, and I have made the timing clear." If this is useful, save the visible urgent return rule for the next time you are about to apologize for needing focus. The goal is not to beg for quiet time. The goal is to make the boundary clear enough that people know the work, the urgent path, and the return. The real skill is not ignoring everything. The real skill is separating urgent from normal before people have to guess. Most messages feel immediate only because there is no shared rule for what immediate actually means. Use a rule people can trust. If it is urgent, call or tag clearly. If it is normal, I will reply after the focus block. That one sentence lowers tension because it gives everyone a decision path. You do not need a long apology for protecting attention. A clean status works better. Deep work until 11. For urgent issues, call. I will reply after. Short, clear, and respectful. Deep work becomes a problem when people do not know whether you will come back. Silence is not the enemy by itself. Unclear silence is what makes people nervous. When the block ends, do a quick response sweep. Answer what matters, acknowledge what needs more time, and move anything bigger into a clear next step instead of letting it sit in the fog. Over time, people learn the pattern. You are not instantly available for every interruption, but you are predictable. That is the reputation deep work needs if it is going to survive in a real workplace. So the framework is simple. Visible block, urgent path, visible return. Make the focus block clear, show people how to reach you for real urgency, and come back when you said you would. That is how deep work protects attention without damaging trust. If you want more practical systems like this, systems that protect attention, reduce message anxiety, and keep you reliable after the focus block, subscribe for the next one. Protect the work, protect the relationship, and make the return visible. That is how focus becomes trusted.